This Thanksgrilling series, it's going to be huge.
You can't miss out on this.
Not this one.
Shoot, yeah, those Kingsford Pellets provide the best flavor.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get it started.
Hey there, everybody. Happy holidays. I'm Chef Greg with recteq, and we have a fantastic recipe for you for a delicious smoked sweet potato casserole. You heard that right, and I got a special little twist for a crispy, delicious sweet topping, but you got to stay tuned to find out. We'll be cooking that on the RT340 today. We're using those delicious Kingsford cherry pellets. We're talking pure, sweet, refined, fruity deliciousness. Smoking this casserole to flavors above and beyond. But let's say we get started. We've got some delicious sweet potatoes. We've already got them peeled. We're going to go ahead and slice them up into coins. And you don't have to be crazy accurate here because we're going to end up mashing these up. But you say, Chef, if we're mashing these, why are we slicing them? So we want to expose as much surface area on these sweet potatoes as we can for delicious flavor. We're going to cook them at 400 degrees for right about 20 minutes or so until those potatoes start to get soft. And again, you guys know sweet potatoes have a lot of moisture, a lot of liquid in them, and roasting them is going to help get rid of that excess water, but yet concentrate all that delicious sweet potato flavor. All right, to make putting these on and off the grill super simple, we're using that non-stick cooking mat available at recteq.com. We're going to be, again, easy recipe. We're going to hit these with a little bit of olive oil. And to start building those layers of flavor, we've got that Ray's warm apple pie. So we've got some apple sugar, cinnamon, some really good savory and sweet notes. It already smells like the holidays when you open it up. Again, we got the RT340 preheated to 400 degrees. See you at the recteq. These sweet potatoes are looking dynamite. And the beauty of using that non-stick grill mat is you can just simply dump the potatoes right in the bowl. Now we're going to go ahead and mash these up, and there's 1,000 different ways to do this. You can use a wire whip, you can use a spoon. I like a little dough masher here. We're just going to kind of crush these up and make a really coarse mashed sweet potato. Very nice. All right, so into these delicious sweet potatoes, we're gonna add some butter because it's tasty. A little bit of vanilla extract, some brown sugar. Then we're gonna go ahead and make a small little custard. We're gonna take some eggs. Some milk, about a half cup. I'm just going to fold all of that together. Alrighty, let's take our casserole dish. We'll go ahead and load it up. Damn it. All right, now it's time for this delicious topping that I told you guys about. I love some praline pecans, so we got some of them in there. And as if that wasn't enough, we're going to add in some butter, a little bit of flour, and a little more brown sugar. I mean, it is the holidays after all. We're going to combine that. It's almost like a streusel topping. Just kind of keep mashing it with a fork until all that butter is dissolved and you've got like nice little clusters of delicious. And then you just gotta give it a dumperoo. Woo-hoo. All right, this is going to go back in the RT340 for about 15 minutes until the top gets kind of golden brown and delicious. And then we're going to come over the top a little bit of marshmallows, and then it's time to eat. See you at the recteq. It really is that simple. This smoked sweet potato casserole was cooked to perfection on the recteq RT340. Those cherry wood pellets, it just brought it all together. The pure sweet, refined, fruity deliciousness. But I got my spoon. I'm going to get a little peek off the corner. That delicious praline pecan crust, the sugary deliciousness of the marshmallows. Ooh, child, please. That's my favorite part of the holidays. Right there. This one bite. That's why I want Thanksgiving. Just go ahead and throw out all the old sweet potato recipes you have for the holidays. Just trash it because you want to make this one. And if you guys want more amazing recipes like this, make sure you subscribe to recteq and Kingsford YouTube channel for more amazing content. It's time for dinner. I got the taters!